Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Trashika and I work as a digital consultant helping small to medium-sized businesses in expanding and managing their business online. Today in this video, I want to talk about how you can get Canva subscription for free. Now signing up on Canva is absolutely free and the free plan of Canva also has a lot of features. In this video today, we'll be talking about Canva for education, how you can get that for free. Now, before you say, no, I'm not a teacher, I'm not a student, I can't get Canva for free, hold on. Hold on. I'm going to share my screen and show you what exactly I did and then you can do it too. Start with going to Canva pricing page for teachers and students and click on Learn about Canva for Education. Now we will scroll down on this page to view the eligibility guidelines for Canva for Education. Yes. So now on this page, we will see the important note that Canva for Education is currently available for K-12 teachers and institutions, which means that Canva will only approve their documents. To know the list of documents approved, we will scroll down further. Now here I want to pause and explain the different options of documents. You can either upload the teacher's license, certifications indicating teaching qualification or their letter of employment, or school ID indicating teaching status, or a document proving a school status as a government recognized formally accredited educational institution. Now once you have their digital copies ready, log on to your Canva account. For verification purpose, the username and email ID of this Canva account does not matter. Click on Plans and Pricing, Education, and then Get Verified. Fill in the teacher's details as per the documents which you would upload. Click on Continue, upload the documents, and then click on Submit. And that's it. You are all done. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Now a few common questions that gets asked a lot, I'm going to answer them. First one is, what happens when the document is rejected? Now my documents the first time did get rejected and I received this email from their team. Don't worry, you can upload the documents, more documents if required for a verification the same day, and they will approve it within the cycle that they have approved previously. Second question is, how long does it take for them to respond? For me, it took about 2 to 3 days for them to approve, but depending on how many applications they are having, they can approve it sooner as well. For how long do I get this Canva account for free? You get this Canva account for free for 3 years, and after that you have to upload your documents again. They might ask for verification and you might have to submit the documents again for verification. That's it. That's exactly what I wanted to share in this video. I hope this helped. In conclusion, Canva is a very great software for design for small businesses, or if you are in a budget crunch, this is a great alternate for hiring a graphic designer or hiring any other intern to make your creatives. I hope I have answered the questions and cleared how you can sign up, but just in case it has not been cleared or you are facing any difficulty, please comment below and I'll be sure to reply as soon as possible. Alright then, bye.